far as we're concerned, it is not easy to sustain a company more than 16 years. I believe with the right working cultures and the support and the hard working for all the Yoshitec members, we have gone global. Thank you for believing in Yoshitec. Thank you very much. Gambante.
We grow stronger because we never stop improving.
Innovation drives us, dedication keeps us going.
From a single machine to a trusted global manufacturing partners, from local deliveries to export across continents, this was never just about production. It was built on partnership, precision, and progress. Happy birthday to Yoshitec and have a great 16th anniversary.
Our people, our pride, that's Yoshitec.
From Malaysia to the world, we deliver trust and excellence.
From blackout tape to global brands, we are proud to deliver. We are capable for automotive parts too. Welcome your inquiry to Yoshitec.
Robust manufacturing system is critical to ensuring Yoshitec meets global standards, and I am here to assist.